Hello students, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about the question from definite integration. Here comes the first question. Integral 0 to 3 sine pi by 3x minus cos pi by 3x. Integral sine ax is equal to minus 1 by a into cos pi by 3x minus integral cos ax is 1 by a into sine pi by 3x. When you substitute the limit 0 to 3, so whether you substitute 0 or 3, this value goes to big 0. So when I substitute this is minus 1, so you are going to get minus 3 by pi. And when you substitute minus again, okay, so minus half, what will happen? Minus 3 by 5 is the answer you will be getting. Look at here, minus 3 by 5, and when you substitute this is minus 1. So minus of minus plus and minus of minus plus. So answer will be equal to 6 by 5 is the right answer. Next question is integral of modulus of 2x minus 2 minus x dx. Okay, so how we are going to deal with this question? So how to solve this particular question? It is integral of this. So modulus of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 2. So if that is the case, modulus of x minus 2 minus x mod whole modulus will be equal to 2 under this situation. Now modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus x if x is less than 2. So in this case, modulus of x minus 2 minus x will be equal to 2 minus 2x, and modulus of x minus 2 minus x whole modulus will be equal to 2 minus 2x if x is less than 1 is equal to 2x minus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 1. So this case you can write as 0 to 1. In that case, you can go ahead with 2 minus 2x dx plus 1 to 2. During that time, you can take 2x minus 2 dx. And next one is 2 to 4, 2 dx. Our visualization at x is equal 0, value will be 2 going to 1, then this and then this. This is the 4. This is 2, 1, 0 and this value is 2. So this area is 1, this area is 1, this area 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 plus 1, answer will be equal to 6. Next question is, they have given this integral log t dt is equal to antiderivative is equal to t into log t minus 1. So you look at here, if I take 1 plus x square as p, 2x dx will be equal to dp. This question will be x is equal to 0, p is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, p is equal to 2. This is log p dp. And exponential, that means e to the power of. So you leave this one, e part. Let us concentrate this one. What is this one? As per this formula, p into log p minus 1 of the limit 1 to 2. So 2 log 2, if you take 2 log 2 minus 2, And when you substitute 1, this value will be 0. 1 minus of my 1 minus 1. Total value is minus, you are subtracting. So plus 1 will be there. So this is log 4 minus 1. I need e to the power of log 4 minus 1. I will write e to the power of log 4 base e into e power minus 1. This value is equal to 4. So the total answer is 4 by e is the answer for this question. Integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 2 x root over 4 minus x square dx. So the property what we write, integral a to b f of x dx. Or shall we go for any other substitution method? There are the other approaches also. What I'll do is, I will take x is equal to 2 sine theta d theta. So dx will be equal to 2 cos theta d. You can try this one also. So at that time what happened, integral x is equal to 1, sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So that means pi by 6, 2 pi by 3, x is 2 sine theta into 4 minus 4 sine square theta, that will be 2 cos theta into 2 cos theta d theta. So it will be integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, 2 to 8 cos square theta into, let me write minus here, minus sine theta d theta. If this is f of x power n, this is f dash of x. So minus 8 cos cube theta by 3 of the limit pi by 6 to pi by 2. This is pi by 2 because 2 sine theta is equal to sine theta is equal to pi. Okay. So when you substitute, this value will be 0. When you substitute pi by 3, cos pi by 3 is equal to, what is a cos pi by 6? Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means 3 root 3 by 3 will be there. So the answer is going to be root 3 for this particular question. The next question is integral x plus root x plus 1 by x dx of the interval 1 to 4. So what is the integral 1 to 4 x plus root x plus 1 by x dx minus integral 1 to 2 log 2 dx? Okay. So I think some portion is missing here. Okay. Some is missing. Okay, let us look at this value anyway. Once we complete this one, we'll come back to this one. Integral x is x square by 2 and integral root x is x to the power of 1 by 2 is 2 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 minus log 2 minus log x of the limits 1 to 4 minus integral dx is x only. So yes, x of the limit 2 log 2 is simply log 4 base 1 and here it is plus. This is 1 by x only plus. So what happened when you substitute 4, 16 by 2, 8 plus this value is 8. Okay, 8 to the 8 into 2 by 3. So 16 by 3 plus log 4 minus 1. It is 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. When you substitute, value will be 0. This is minus log 4. Okay, minus of minus plus 1. Log 4 cancel. You simplify the remaining thing, you are going to get the answer. See, here 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is there. So I think its answer should be equal to 79 by 6. So here nothing is there, it is only integral dx and they have given this one to cancel. this log 4 value. The next question is limit n tending to infinity 1 by n. So this is 1 by n. When you write this log, you can go ahead with the sigma log of. Actually, what happened? Look at here. Let me write this one more clear way. This is log of. You will be having 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 2n by 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n into n power n. Okay. So this n everywhere I'll write. So the issue is how you are going to rewrite this one. 2n factorial by n factorial into n to the power of n. N to the power of n means this. How many numbers are there? We need to look at here. 1, 2, 3 will be cancelled. 1, 2, 3, n will be cancelled. So now what is the value? Log of n plus 1, n plus 2. Like this way, n plus n. And this n power n, everywhere I write n, n, n. So log A, B, C, I can write this one is sigma log of 1 plus r by n, this value. And outside is 1 by n is there. And here limit n tending to infinity. So this is, and r is equal to 1 to n. So it is integral 0 to 1 log 1 plus x dx. Log 1 plus x dx. Okay, log 1 plus x dx, because 1 to n only we are writing. Okay, so 1 to n, but they have taken as this value. So what happened? 1 plus x is equal to t, dx will be dt. So this answer will be equal to log x. The answer will be equal to log x. Here it is log of 1 plus x should be there, but 0 to 1. If I take this is t, so it will be 1 and this will be 2. Next question is integral 0 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos x is equal to. So 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So it is 1 by 2. When you write I is equal to integral 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx. Integral secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 into 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. Log x by 2, pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So those values you need to write it here. Okay. So you write 5 pi by 4 and then pi by 4. You will be getting the answer as 2. So what is this one? Actually 2 times of tan of 5 pi by 8 minus tan of pi by 8. So you look at here. What is tan 22 and a half degrees? 5 pi by 8. What is the value accordingly? You look at it. 22 and a half into 2 is 112 and a half degrees. So you write, okay, the values. Next question is integral minus 1 to 1 log of 1 plus x by x 1 plus x square dx is equal to integral 0 to this one. What is? So this value I will write it as minus 1 to 0 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx plus 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to, it is 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx plus integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. So this value cancel. So what is this f of x? We need to write. Okay. Tell you x is equal to minus t. So the limit is 1 to 0 log of 1 minus t by 1 plus t square into minus dt. So this minus interchange this one will come. So the answer is equal to log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x square. So integral 0 to pi by 4 sin square 2x is equal to 4 sin square x cos square x by sin power 6x this one. I can write it as sin cube x plus cos cube x whole square dx. Take sin cos cube cos power 6x out. So it is 1 plus tan cube x whole square. So cos power 6x, 1 cos square x will be cancelled. So 4 tan square x secant square x dx. If I take t is equal to tan x, okay, at t is equal to what I'll do is 1 plus tan cube x. So dt is equal to 3 tan square x secant square x dx. So it is integral 0 to x is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, x is equal to pi by 4, 2, 4 is outside, tan square x by 3 if I write, 3 tan square secant square x dt by t square. Happily you can write 4 by 3 into minus 1 by t of the limit 1 to 2. You are going to get the answer. You'll be getting the answer for this question as 2 by 3. Okay. Next question is limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n square plus 1 by and up to this is not minus. So if I take this value is z, what I'll do is I'll take log z is equal to 1 by n limit n tending to infinity 1 by n. This is product summation log of 1 plus r square by n square. So which is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x square dx. Just you simplify this one. Integral 0 to 1 1 log of 1 plus x square dx. How you are going to do? You can go ahead with the by parts, or you can take x is equal to tan theta also. By parts is the more preferred one, and you will be getting the answer 2 e power pi minus 4 by 2. Okay, so by parts is first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function 1 plus x square into this is 2x into this is 2x square dx. So what you can write here 2 times of x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 you solve. We are going to get the answer. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x cube sin x dx. You need to go for the by parts. Okay, what will be the by parts property? Which one you need to take? Highlight. Algebraic comes first before the trigonometric. So x first function into integral of sin x is minus cos x of the limit 0 to pi by 2 minus integral of 3x square into minus or minus plus cos x dx 0 to pi by 2. Next step in this question, what will happen? 3x square into integral of cos x is sin x minus integral of 6x into sin x dx. You write the values here 0 to pi by 2. and 0 to pi by 2. So you will be getting this answer. Same thing, you can also do another way is Leibniz rule. What is the Leibniz rule is x cube into derivative of sin x, integral of sin x is minus cos x minus this value will be 3x square into whatever this value, keep on doing integral of u into v dx, u into v minus 1 minus u dash into v minus 2, etc. From there you can solve the answer and you will be getting this answer as 3x square by 2 minus 4. No, this should be x square will not be there. That x square will be replaced with pi. The replace with pi. Okay. Next question is pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot power 9x dx. Okay. So here what is this one? If you write here pi by 4 to pi by 2. So I want to write x is equal to t minus pi by 4 or t minus pi by 2. Okay. See, my intention is I want to write in terms of successive reduction only, in terms of instead of cot, in terms of tan. So cot x is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus x. So what happened? Pi by 2 minus x is equal to t. So dx is equal to minus dt. So it is integral of minus dt and this value will be equal to tan power 90. At x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to pi by 4 and 0. So it is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power 90 dt. Okay. So we have, what is this one? In plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. So as per this one, what is this value? First value is 1 by n is equal to 9, 8. Next one is minus of, here what happened? In minus 2 will be there, right? In minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus I4. You can write that way and you will be getting the answer as 1 by 2 log 2 because integral 0 to pi by 4. Finally, you'll get tan x dx. This value is 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 log. Next question is if step x is the greatest integer function, this one. So look at here, step of x plus 2 times of step of x plus 2x. See, first of all, step of x plus n. If n is the integer, this value will be step x plus n. So here what happens? Step x is integer. 2 2s are 4. So 4 step x plus this one, 2 step x, and this is step x. So this answer is integral minus 1 to 1 step x, 7 step x of dx. So you look at here. Minus 1 to 0 value will be minus 7 and this value will be 0. So this value will be equal to 1 into minus 7. Answer is equal to minus 7. Next question is 0 to 10, 5 minus of root over 10x minus x square. What is the value? Maybe you can write 5 times of integral 0 to 10 dx. There is no doubt about that one. Minus 0 to 10 root over 10x minus x square. Maybe you can write 10x is there. So I'll write it as 25 minus x minus 5 whole square dx. Okay. So instead of solving like 10x minus x square, what I'm writing, root over 25 minus x square plus 10x minus 25. So you are getting the same thing. Under root is there. Under root is there. So if I write here x minus 5 is equal t, this is integral minus 5 to 5 root over 25 minus t square dt. This value will be equal to 2 times integral 0 to 5 root over 25 minus t square dt. So I need this value. So you look at here, I'm not going for the integration. I'm going to do like this. If this is y is equal to root over 25 minus x square. What is this one? X square plus y square is equal to 25. And where I'm taking 0 to 5. This area. What is this area? 1/4 of the radius. So radius is 25 pi r square. This total area is 25 r square. 25 pi. So 1/4 of this one is 25 by 4 pi. So 2 times of there. So it is 25 pi by 2. So outside is 50 minus this one. So answer is equal to. So your answer is not visible for you people. So the answer is 1 by 2. 50 minus 25 by 2. So you can go ahead with the answer C. See the interval they are given 1 to x. So here f of 2 is equal to integral 1 to 2 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Sorry, 2 plus t square dt. So this is the decreasing function. So this value f of 2 is always less than maximum value into 2 minus 1, and this is greater than minimum value of into 2 minus 1. So this minimum value is possible when x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to is 1 by 6 because 1 by 2 plus 4, 1 by 6. Okay. And its maximum value is possible where x is equal to 1. So this value will be equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this value is equal to 1 by 6 is less than f of 2 is less than 1 by 3. So when f of 2 is ranging in this one, so I can go ahead with this one. Okay, but actually here f of 2, this one and this one, the question supposed to be framed comparatively better manner. So when I'm taking this one, automatically this will be satisfying this condition. Next question is integral minus 1 to 1. These are the cases they are given. So I'll go ahead with the first one is I'll go with the mod x graphical one. X is positive. This is x square 0 to 1 and minus 1. This graph will be like this. So whatever the positive value, negative value will be same. So this value is going to be 0. First one is going to D. So A is possible, C is possible, D is possible. So B is possible. D option is ruled out. Next, integral 0 to A f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to A f of a minus x. So third one is going to be E. So this option is ruled out. Third one is going to A is going. So the correct answer is A. So you need not look at the remaining questions actually. integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by this. So whenever such things are there, you take t is equal to sin x plus cos x is there. So I will take it as sin x minus cos x. So in this case, dt is equal to cos x plus sin x dx. So this interval is when x is equal to 0, t is equal minus 1 and pi by 4 value will be 0. Numerator will be dt. By denominator is t square is equal to 1 minus sine 2x. So sine 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. So 7 plus 9 into 1 minus t square. So this is equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt by 16 minus 9t square. Happily, you can do the answer. Integral, what is the thing? Dx by x square minus a square formula, which is equal to log of x minus a. Okay, log of x minus a by x plus a of 1 by 2a times of this. So apply that formula, you will be getting the answer. So here 9 is there, maybe you can take 1 by 9 common. So here you'll get 9. So direct formula, and answer is log 7 by 24 you will be getting. So the important thing is when sin x plus cos x dx is there, taking this one is the very important thing. Look at here, integral 0 to, I think it should be pi by 2 beta. It should be pi by 2. So what happened? This entire thing is I. So it is equal to 0 to pi by 2. 16 is okay. I will write pi by 2 minus x. The sin x will be there as it is cos. So these two interchange actually, and denominator also interchanges, but finally same value will be there. So now when I write 2i, so 16 pi by 2, 16x will be cancelled. So 16 pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2, you will be getting sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. So 2 ones are 2 eights are, this 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 pi into this value sin x cos x by sin power 4x cos power 4x. So if I divide with cos power 4x, this is 0 to pi by 4, pi by 2 sorry, and 4 pi is outside. Okay, so what you can write, this value, even you can write it 2 times of pi by 4, and sin x, I'll divide numerator and denominator with cos power 4x. One cos x will be there, and this one will be tan x, and the cos square x, that means secant square x by 1 plus tan power 4x dx. Okay, so what I'll do is tan square x is equal to t. So 2 tan x secant square x dx is equal to dt. So this whole thing is dt with this one. So directly you'll get the answer. Okay, integral 2 to 5 this and this. Look at here, x plus root over. So x plus 2 root over x minus 1. I can write this is root x minus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root over x minus 1 into 1. So square root of x plus 2 root over x minus 1 is equal to root over x minus 1 plus 1. But whereas root over x minus 2 root over x minus 1 is modulus of root over x minus 1 minus 1. So x is 2 onwards. So this is always positive. So it is equal to integral 2 to 5. So this value as it is, x is greater than 2. So this value is greater than 1. minus 1. So positive. So it is 2 root over x minus 1 dx. So this is 2 into x minus 1 is equal to t if I take. This is x is equal to 1 to 4 root to t dt. So directly you solve this one. What is this one? 2 into 2 by 3 into t to the power of 3 by 2 of the limit 1 to 4. You solve this one, you will be getting the answer as 28 by 3 is equal to integral 0 to 3 pi by 4 to pi. 3 pi by 4 to pi is sine is positive. So this is step of sine x, which value will be equal to 0, plus step of 4x by pi. So dx, this value is equal to 3. So it is 3 into pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4 is pi by 4 is the answer. Next one is step x between root 8 to root 18. So what all the values are there? Root 8 to root 18. So root 18 is, so here root to 8 will be there. Somewhere here 3 is there. And somewhere here 4 is there. And here root 18 is there. So this step value will be equal to 2 here. Between step value will be equal to 3 here. Okay. And between this one step value is 4. So this area is equal to 4 into root 18 minus 4. This area is equal to 3 units. And this area is equal to 2 times of 3 minus root 8. Okay. So you need to write, what is this one? 6 minus 4 root 2 plus 3 minus 16 root 18. So 3 root 2, root 18. So root 18 means root of 9 into 2, right? So you bring that one 12 root 2 plus 12 root. So what is the value? You check it out. 9 minus 7 minus 7 plus 8 root 2. So what is the a plus b plus c is equal to? What is the c value? You need to look at here. So just you look at here. Root 8 2 3. Root 8 value. What is root 8 value? Root 8 value is 2 root 2. Okay. So 2 root 2 value. 2 root 2 is less than 3 only. So less than 3, this value, step value will be equal to 2 times of 3 minus root 2. Next interval, where is the step x is going to change? 3 to 4. 3 to 4, the value is 1 and this value will be equal to 3. Okay. And this value is 4 minus, this value will be, this is equal to 4 step value. So it is 4 root 18 minus 4. 4 is so 16 plus 3 plus 6, where you are getting this one. So the value is equal to, what is the value? 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Next one is, this value will be equal to 3 root 2. 12 root 2 minus 4 root 2 is plus 8 root 2. So answer should be equal to minus 1. So answer is minus, I am getting plus 1, but 0 is given. 0 is not the correct one. Moving to the next question. Integral minus pi to pi 2x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So it is equal to, you write like this, minus pi 2 plus pi 2x by 1 plus cos square x dx plus integral minus pi to pi 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. This value will be equal to 0 because it is the odd function. So this can be written as, okay, minus pi 2 plus pi is there. So what I can write, 2 times integral 0 to pi. This is already 2 is there. So 4 x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. If I take this portion as I is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x, sin pi minus x is sin x, cos pi minus x is minus but whole square is there. So from here 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi is outside, sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. If I write minus, this is tan inverse of cos x will come. Tan inverse of cos x. Okay, so tan inverse of cos x, you take that value. So I is equal to minus pi by 2 tan inverse of cos x of the limit 0 to pi. When I substitute pi, this value is minus pi by 4, and when 0, it is cos 1 again pi by 4. So this value will be minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus pi by 2. So minus of minus, this value will be pi square by 4. Outside is equal to, look at here, 2 is here and 4 is there. So you are going to get the answer is pi square as the total answer. Moving to the next question, in is equal this one. This value will be equal to 3. This value will be equal to 4. This value will be equal to 5. Because in plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. So as per this one you are going to get. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. Answer is 12. So this value will be equal to 1 by I 11 plus I 13 is the answer. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 mod cos t sin t plus mod sin t cos t. So where it is this interval? So if you look at here 0, pi by 2, pi. So we are starting with this one. So here both are positive, and pi by 2 to pi, cos is negative but sin is positive, and pi to pi by 4 both are negative. So answer is going to be, here both are positive, here both are negative, and in between anyway 0 will be there. The final answer is going to be 0, because whatever the amount of positiveness here, same amount of negativeness will come, and in between this is minus cos t sin t plus sin t cos t between pi by 2 to pi. So that's value is 0. So here you can take a power k outside, and what is the other things you are going to do? So you look at here, I think this x to the power of k should be there, x to the power of, so that what will happen, no, this is, okay, a power k is there, no, I will take this one. Why? Because here a power k into 1 by n into sigma r by n power k is there. So this is integral 0 to 1 a power k x power k dx will be there. So here answer should be, here what is the small correction I want to do is, here it's not x, it should be k only. So there are a few typo errors are there, even options also, don't worry. Next question is integral 0 to pi x times of sin square sin x plus cos square cos of cos x. So if I take this is I'll write 0 to pi. I will write pi minus x into Sine squared sine of pi minus x is sine x only, plus cos square of cos pi minus x minus cos x, but anyway whole square is there, no issue. So when I write 2i, this pi remaining portion cancel, pi integral 0 to pi, you can write it as sine square sine x plus cos square cos x dx. Okay, so you need to find out sine square sine x and cos square cos x. Is there any method to solve this question? Is there any method to solve this question? So I can write it as 0 to actually integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to. So I will write 2 pi integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square of sine x plus cos square of cos x dx. Now the interesting part. If I take this is I and apply the same property, this will become sine square cos x and this one will come cos square of sine x. When you write 2i, this is 1, this is 1. So that inside the portion 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi 2 dx. So from here I is equal to pi by 2 will come. So 2 pi into pi by 2, pi square, but this 2 is cancelled. With that one you are going to get pi square by 2 is the correct answer because I is equal to pi by 2. So this entire value is pi by 2. So what are the, so what you need to do? First you need to eliminate this one. After this one you write this step and then you go for this. With this one I'm concluding the session. Thank you.